Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix a Google Chrome error that says ERR underscore quick underscore protocol underscore error. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to try to disable the quick protocol. How we can do that? I want you to open your Google Chrome, make a right click. Please click on open so that you can enter. So from that expanded first, navigate to the search bar here and type for Chrome colon forward slash plugs. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard and here you can see a window like this or a results like this. Please type for quick under the search bar and this would appear experimental quick protocol. Please click on this down arrow key and select for disabled and then click for relaunch so that you can disable that. Okay? Once done, try to check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution and that is to check your browser extensions. Please proceed here at the top right corner. Then you can see there are three dots. Scroll down, select for settings. Once you have bring up the settings window, please proceed here at the left pane and find for the extensions. So from that, please proceed here at the all extensions. There you'd be able to see all of the extensions that you have added. So please remove those extensions one by one and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Yet if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to clear your browser data. Bring up the settings again. This time, you need to proceed to the privacy and security. Select for privacy and security section where you can see this delete browsing data. Please check all of such and click for delete data. Okay? So once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then try to check your network because your network might be the problem. So try to check if you are connected to a stable network connection. Proceed to your task manager here at the side. You can find here your Wi-Fi icon. Please click on that and then try to check if you are connected or not. If not, then try to connect to another device or another Wi-Fi and see if it works. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.